simple morning at home. Maya wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. She does not jump out of bed right away. First, she stays in bed for 1 quiet minute. She looks at the light in her room and listens to the soft sounds outside. Her room is small, but it feels warm and safe. There is a bed, a table, and a bag near the door. Her phone is on the table, but she does not touch it yet. She likes to start the day in a calm way. After 1 minute, Maya sits up slowly. She puts her feet on the floor and stands up. Then, she opens the curtains and looks at the window. The sky is light now. The street is still quiet. Maya walks to the bathroom. The bathroom is cool in the morning. She puts water on her face and closes her eyes for a second. The cold water helps her wake up. Then, she brushes her teeth. She looks in the mirror and smiles a little. Her hair is not neat yet, and her face still looks sleepy, but she already feels better. Maya stays in the bathroom for a few more minutes. She washes her hands and takes one slow breath. She does not want a noisy, busy morning. She wants a simple start. After that, she goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is her favorite room in the morning. It is not big, but it is bright. When she opens the window, the fresh air comes in, and the whole kitchen feels alive. Maya stands by the window for a moment. She looks down at the street. A bus moves slowly past the corner. A small shop across the street is still closed. A bird sits in the tree near the house next door. She smiles again and turns back to the table. Then, she puts water in the kettle and waits. While she waits, she washes 1 cup and puts it on the table. Soon the water is hot. Maya makes tea and carries the cup carefully. The tea is warm, and the smell is soft and nice. She sits at the table and holds the cup with both hands. This is her favorite part of the morning. She does not hurry. She does not look at her phone. She only drinks tea, looks at the window, and enjoys the quiet room. Outside, the street begins to change. Another bus goes by. A man opens the small shop. A woman walks with a bag in her hand. The bird flies from the tree to a low wall and looks around. Maya watches all of this from the kitchen window. She likes these small morning pictures. They are simple, but they help her feel calm. After a few minutes, her brother comes into the kitchen. He looks tired, and his hair is messy. He sees Maya at the table and laughs. "Good morning," he says. "Good morning," Maya says. Her brother opens the window a little more and looks outside. "The air is nice today," he says. "Yes," Maya answers. "It is cool, but it feels good." He sits down at the table for a minute. Maya pours water into a glass for him. He drinks the water and looks at the tree outside. "I can see the bird again," he says. "It is there every morning," Maya says. Her brother smiles. Maybe it likes this street too. They both laugh quietly. The room still feels peaceful. No one is in a hurry yet. After that, Maya drinks more tea. She looks at the table, the cup, and the light from the window. She feels happy because the morning is simple. When her tea is finished, she goes back to her room. She makes the bed and puts a book on the table in the right place. Then, she checks her bag. Inside the bag, she has her book, her water bottle, and a few small things for the day. She picks up the phone from the table and checks the time. It is still early. She smiles because she has enough time. She does not need to run. Then, Maya walks back to the bathroom one more time. She looks in the mirror again and fixes her hair. She washes her face with a little more water and takes another slow breath. When she returns to the kitchen, her brother is standing near the window. He points at the street. "Look," he says. "The shop is open now." Maya looks outside. The door of the shop is open and a woman is walking in. Another bus stops near the corner. The street is awake now, but it still does not feel loud. Maya fills her glass with water and drinks it slowly. Then, she puts the cup in the sink and cleans the table with her hand. She likes it when the kitchen looks neat before she leaves the house. Her brother picks up his bag too. "Are you ready?" he asks. "Almost," Maya says. She goes to her room again and looks around. The bed is neat. The table is clean. The phone is in her bag now. Everything is ready. Then, Maya returns to the kitchen for the last time. She stands near the window and looks outside again. The tree moves a little in the wind. The bird is gone now. The bus stop is full of people. The street is ready for a busy day. But inside the house, the morning still feels gentle. Maya likes that feeling. It helps her start the day in a better way. She smiles at her brother, picks up her bag, and walks to the door. Before she leaves, she looks once more at the kitchen, the table, the teacup, and the window. It is a small morning at home, but it gives her something important. It gives her a quiet mind, a warm heart, and a good start. Then, Maya opens the door, leaves the house, and begins her day.